Do you actually believe you are still a free human being? In the next 146 seconds, I am going to prove to you that 2026 is the year the world deleted your focus. And the terrifying part? You didn't even notice the chains. While you were chasing cheap trends, they were building your replacement. Can you feel the hollow sensation in your brain? That's not tiredness. That's your identity evaporating. Subject 1. The neural cage. If you can't focus on this video for 2 minutes without checking your notifications, you are already obsolete. Every scroll, every like, is a chemical handcuff. They have mapped your weakness, and they are feeding it back to you to keep you submissive. Your focus is being farmed like livestock. Do you see the bars now? Or are you too addicted to care? Subject 2. The useless class. In 2026, if your skills can be coded, you are dead to the system. AI isn't here to help you. It's here to revise you. Why would the world pay a distracted human when a machine is more focused than you'll ever be? You are trading your sovereignty for 15-second hits of garbage. Is this how you want to end? I have the protocol to break the cage. I have the exact steps to reclaim your mind. But look at the timer. Most of you are already searching for the next video. Your brain is too broken to handle the solution, isn't it? So, I will keep the key. For the ones who are truly unfiltered, the door is open. Will you stay in the dark, or will you wake up